Today we are going to talk about Junie AI, an artificial intelligence coding agent that lives right inside the JetBrains development tools. And I will tell you honestly what it does and how useful it can be for developers and programmers. If you are learning to code or you are a developer who writes apps or software every day, tools like Junie are made to help you write better code faster, reduce the boring repetitive tasks, and even fix the problems in your project without you typing everything in manually. So in this video, I will look at what Junie AI really is, how it works, what people think about it, the good parts and the not so good parts, and whether it might be a game changer for you. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to check out Junie and other tools. By using the description link, any benefits, access or the promotions that will be applied automatically. So you get the best experience without any confusion. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let me explain what Junie AI actually is. Junie AI is an AI coding agent built by JetBrains that works inside their popular coding editors like IntelliJ IDEA, PyCharm, and WebStorm. Unlike a normal AI assistant that only suggests the text competition or small code suggestion, Junie understands your project context, plans out what needs to be done, and can execute the code changes. It also can test and updates based on your instruction. It's like having a junior developer who can help with real tasks inside your coding environment. One of the big strengths of Junie is that it doesn't just make small suggestions. It can read your project structure, understand what files are involved, and then carry out the multi-step task like adding tests for important parts of your code, fixing the compilation errors, or updating documentation for your functions. This is a step beyond simple coding competition because it's more like teamwork. You give a general instruction and Junie figures out how to complete it in several steps. People who have tested Junie have shared the mixed experiences. Some developers say that Junie feels like a real developer and is much better than the old simple AI assistant that could only suggest single lines or small pieces of codes. These users find that Junie can handle more complex tasks when given the instruction clear and structured, and this improves the productivity for them. In those cases, Junie feels like a genuine coding partner rather than just a tool that guesses the compilation. However, not all feedback is positive. Some developers find Junie responses slow, meaning it can take time for the agent to think through the task and complete it, especially for bigger tasks or bigger projects. And few people report that AI gets stuck or loops when asked to do something unclear, or that it consumes a lot of AI uses, or leaving the developers unsure how much of their subscription credits they left. Another point people discuss is that the amount of quota or credits Junie uses is not always clearly explained. And sometimes users feel that credits drop faster than expected when using the tool is everyday tasks. This has been frustrating for some who expected a more predictable usage model. There is also comments from developers who still prefer other coding AI tools and assistants because they feel those alternatives are faster and easier to use. Some have mentioned that JetBrains integration still feels rough or slow compared to the other tools, and a few people have experienced occasional plugin issues when updating their IDE. Despite these mixed reviews, Junie has a real advantage because it's built inside the JetBrains IDEs, so the integration feels native. You don't need to switch between editors or separate windows. The coding agent works where your code lives and sees the full project context. This deep integration is something many developers appreciate. Now let's talk about choosing the Junie yourself. If you're already using JetBrains tools and want an intelligent partner to automate the recurring task or help navigate large code base, Junie can be useful addition to your workflow. But if you want something that feels instant and very lightweight for small autocomplete suggestions, other AI coding assistant might fit better depending on your needs. So it becomes a question of what kind of coding help you want and how comfortable you are with AI powered automation inside your main development tool. So that's my honest review of Junie AI based on real user feedback and the way the tool works. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone who is serious about AI coding tools. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.